Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will look into the differences between delegation and decentralization. Delegation means the passing of authority by one person who is at a superior position to someone else who is subordinate to him. It is the downward assignment of authority, whereby the manager allocates work among subordinates. On the other hand, decentralization refers to the dispersal of powers by the top-level management to the other level management. It is the systematic transfer of powers and responsibility throughout the corporate ladder. So, let's look into the basic differences between delegation and decentralization in a tabular form. Difference number 1. Delegation means handing over an authority from one person of high level to the person of low level, whereas decentralization is the final outcome achieved when the delegation of authority is performed systematically and repeatedly to the lowest level. Number 2. Delegation is the technique of management. On the contrary, decentralization is the philosophy of management. Number 3. In delegation, superiors are accountable for the acts done by subordinates, whereas, in decentralization, department heads are accountable for the acts of the concerned department. Number 4. For all organization, delegation of authority is very necessary, whereas decentralization is an optional philosophy which may or may not be adopted by the organization. Number 5. In delegation, there is less liberty of work to the subordinates, whereas, in the decentralization, a substantial amount of liberty can be seen. Number 6. In delegation, the ultimate control is the hands of superior, whereas, in the decentralization, the overall control vests with top management and delegates authority for day-to-day control to departmental heads. And, difference number 7, delegation of authority creates superior-subordinate relationship in the organization. Conversely, decentralization is a step towards creation of semi-autonomous units. Delegation and decentralization both have its merits and demerits. They are not similar terms, but the decentralization is the result of the delegation of authority. So there is no competition between them as they both complete each other.